One of the kits that we have is the prosthetics kit. So what you're seeing right here is an agricultural prosthetic that a farmer in anywhere around the world can use as a cap over their regular prosthetic. So, you know, if you can imagine if somebody in rural Nicaragua loses their arm, and instead of, you know, you can't train them to be an accountant. They need to be able to earn their same livelihood. So what we've done, Jeff McLeod has designed, is this is a Coke bottle that's actually would be thermoformed to fit and around the prosthetic stump, and then you have this attachment which is secured on at the top. You can see that right there. And then the interesting part, I'll just show you off. This is a bike inner tube. You can find those just about anywhere. And this bike inner tube acts as a gripper. So you can put any sort of, you know, you pump this up and you can put any sort of agricultural or even cooking home tool that you would want to use inside of here. And then in the evening you switch it off and put the regular hand back on. So this is, again, part of the Medical Education Design and Invention Kits project, MediKit. The other themes that we have kits for would be the diagnostics, microfluidics, vital signs, and drug delivery kits. So, as we know, you know, these solutions that we're designing right now won't be the same for every country that they're disseminated into. A lot of how we work is actually going and visiting the hospitals, clinics, and health centers in different parts of the world and interviewing and working with doctors or nurses there to see what their biggest struggles are. Sometimes people are sharing glucometers and they don't have, you know, access to a glucometer, so we look at how do you make a cheap colorimetric diagnostic reader. In Central America, where we do a lot of our work, asthma is a huge issue. So we've looked at how do you power a nebulizer using a bike pump or an alternative air supply.